Hi, this is a quick tutorial on the form process. I just want to give you a visual reference for future if you need further assistance. So this is the portion where we're going to go over how when the form is submitted, what does the teachers do and how we set it up. So for example, the form was submitted by a parent, which is what was demonstrated in the presentation. So I have this form already completed and all I need to do is submit it. Dora Explorer has been signed up for April 9th, 7 p.m. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that particular form. So two things should happen. The first thing, the email should have gone to Dora's account. So let me log into Dora, and shortly I should receive an email, which I did, from me, which is what hopefully all of you did, that confirms that her time is April 9th at 7 o'clock. So that is one thing. Now, let's go back. The other step within the process was, if you look, we have now done the form of submission, and the parent received their information that we have already talked about. But what does the teacher receive? So the teacher, in this particular case, is me. The teacher receives an email notification the submission took place. This is set up in the results portion of the form. Second of all, then the teacher reviews the results portion of the form. So let's go to the result portion of the form. I'm just going to bring up the folder within Google Drive so you're aware of what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this one-to-one conference in elementary teacher. This is the results portion. When you got the word responses behind it, that tells you this is the result portion of the form. So I'm going to go ahead and double click this, and I should have a new one with the Dora Explorer. And there she is. So Dora is now signed up for 7 o'clock on April 9th. So I'm going to go ahead, and since I need to do the next step, which is to update the master schedule, this is something we did as a district. So I'm going to go ahead and copy Dora Explorer because I'm going to save myself from typing. I'm going to just either write it down or remember that April 9th at 7 p.m. is her time. So I'm going to go back to my teacher folder, and I will see that there is a one-to-one master schedule conference. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this master schedule. And this, like you said, is just a kind of a template that we can just put the whole entire schedule in there. And I'm just going to put Dora Explorer at 7 o'clock on April 9th. So this is now my master schedule, a nice printed version that I could either print to those parents that do not have email and cross off the names of those kids and those times that are no longer available. So you have many options with the master schedule. So now if we go through, you could send a note or an email, send home, and then you just repeat this process for each student.